So guys, again I'm here today. Like, I'm shooting this one on the same day I shot my epilator वाला वीडियो. So मुझे थोड़ी ज़्यादा आज एनर्जी आ गई है मुझ में एंड मुझे थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस मिल रहा है कि मैं और एक वीडियो करूँ. So today only I'm sharing another video with you. I haven't mentioned this in my earlier video, so I'm going to mention a little bit about myself. So this is Swati Das from Raipur, Chhattisgarh, and I'm making videos on YouTube. I'm doing making videos and contents for YouTube, and professionally I'm a professional makeup artist, freelance. I'm a freelance. So generally I go to places, Pan India services are given by me. So anyone who requires makeup artist or hair stylist can contact me. Also, if you want mehendi artist or jewelries or something or anything, you can just contact me. I have links, contact, so I can get into you. So this video is not about anything like that. So this video is about night care regime, which is like most people avoid that, which is very harmful for your skin. But the reason is because when you sleep, during your sleep, 10 to 3 is the time of your detoxification, skin detoxification, body detoxification. So your skin get detox at that particular time. So your skin should be properly prepped before that, so that you can gain all the essential nutrients or things you would like your skin would prefer to. Like मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है क्या बोला जाए, एग्जैक्ट वर्ड क्या होगा. तो आपके स्किन के अंदर जाए और वो ग्लो अलग से मेंटेन रखे और स्किन छू लेना, कोलाजन फाइबर्स हमारे जो इंक्रीज हो जाते हैं तो झुर्रियाँ पड़ने लगती हैं, वो सारी चीज़ें ना हो. उसके लिए आई एम टेलिंग यू, इफ़ यू हैव वोर मेकअप, अगर आपने मेकअप वेयर किया है, कुछ भी लगाया है जैसे मॉइस्चराइज़र के अलावा, तो being it a BB cream, CC cream, foundation, base, anything. So this is the product, Garnier Garnier Micellar Skin Natural. This is waterproof, removes waterproof makeup, cleanses, nourishes. Rinse off की ज़रूरत नहीं है इसमें लिखा हुआ है, but I prefer washing my face before applying anything in it. So yeah, these are my cotton balls. I'm taking one of the cotton from my cotton ball packet and just opening it, and just I'm gonna shake it well before applying. Now I'm taking it into my cotton ball. You don't require much, and I'm cleansing my face. I'm cleansing my full face. And neck as well if required. So my full face has been cleansed now. I'm just going for a quick face wash and then come back. So I'm back now after washing my face. मेरी आँखों में सोप चला गया था तो रेड हो गई है आइस. Never mind. Okay, so I have done this. Now what I need is my toner. Toner किस चीज़ का है भाई? Color bar toner, which I'm going to spray all over my face and let it dry. You can also pat it for a quick dry. Now I'm going to apply my under eye cream by L'Oreal Paris. Under eye gel. What is Hydra Fresh Antioxidant Grapeseed Hydrating Mask in Eye Gel. Very long. I'll mention in the description below. Oh my god, I'm still getting tears from my eyes. So I have taken a tiny amount of it in both my fingers and I'm applying it under my eye and I'm just going to massage it. You can also buy cost effective one which is from Biotique. That is very good. I have used that and I'm going to order that again. So yeah, you can go for that. After that, okay, I'm applying this MAC Caffeine M-Caffeine Green Tea Night Gel Naked Detox. You can see it. I'll mention it in the description. So I'm applying this all over my face and neck and massage it gently so that जब हमारा स्किन क्लेंस्ड होता है तो और ऐसे जब पूरी तरह से प्रेप्ड होता है तो रात भर उसको टाइम मिल जाता है डिटॉक्स करने का और ये सारे इम्पॉर्टेंट इंग्रेडिएंट्स को अपने अंदर लेने का, सो दैट उससे हमारी स्किन लॉन्ग टाइम तक हेल्दी रहेगी और सेफ रहेगा. एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल डोंट नो कि नाइट केयर रेजिम इज मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट इन योर डेली ब्यूटी रेजिम. डे केयर आप ना भी करो तो भी कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, लेकिन नाइट में यू हैव टू wash your face and apply a night cream or night gel or any moisturizer or anything that you like. So that would be much preferable. And then day ka I'll make another video. So for today, thank you so much for watching, and all of you all, thank you so much. Do like, share and subscribe as much as you can, because I am the upcoming YouTuber, new YouTuber. So I don't have that much idea about it. So I want my audience to gain more audience, so that I can perform better for them. By looking at that, I get motivated, and then by looking at them, I will be performing a better version of myself. I can bring a better version of myself. So please keep sharing, guys, and also I would really love a huge thanks and love to all those who have subscribed me, because I have right now got zero is added in my 2 zeros are added in my subscription list. So a huge thanks to all those, and also who are sharing, who are liking it and commenting on it. And please do like, share, subscribe, and go on my Instagram channel, and also follow my Instagram handle, which is in the next section. I'm getting okay. Bye. Wrap up.